Packaging and preservation is a very important process of exporting molds. In order to ensure that the molds are not affected by temperature changes during transportation, we would use a special insulated thin-film packaging to ensure that the quality and performance of the molds, and then use vacuum equipment to exhaust the air to reduce the damage caused by changes in air pressure and the mold. Next, we will use a strong wooden case to pack the mold. The wooden case places a shock-absorbing roller to protect the mold from damage during transportation. In the wooden case into the data memory card containing all the information about the set of molds, easy to view and update at any time, no matter where the molds. The overall production of export molds in the whole process, including the selection of raw materials, the mold design, production, inspection, packaging, and transportation, and other aspects. We need to focus on every detail to ensure that the quality of the mold, performance, and safety are in line with the international standards and customers' demand. Only in this way we can provide customers with high-quality export molds to win the recognition and praise of the market.